Hey guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the XDEEP Stealth Classic Wing. So this is the original style. It's a nice compact little wing, stays nice and close to your body. It kind of sits in the small of your back and then wraps around your body. So I've shown it fully inflated, just so you can see that most of the buoyancy, even when fully inflated, sort of starts in these wings, and then it's a little bit smaller and restricted in here, but you do have that central dump valve as well that just sits in the small of your back. So that way you can always dump gas without having to change your position in the water and with either hand. So just pull on that little overpressure valve to dump it. So the material itself is very strong outer core. The bladder is separate, so even if this outer shell does get damaged, chances are that your internal bladder isn't going to be damaged. But even the material of that bladder is reinforced, so it's a bit tougher. Originally designed for cave divers, obviously, so they're in overhead environments where they need to be nice and streamlined and sort of abrasion resistant. So the inflator hose just comes off a traditional 90-degree angle, and this is on your left-hand side, and then the hose just comes up, and that's going to sort of meet in your chest. Traditional K-style inflator, very easy to use and universal design. Okay, lots of attachment points for attaching it to your harness and sort of wrapping it around yourself. You have the webbing strap and then a loop at the back here. You have a couple more on the inside, and on the inside you can also see this zipper. So this is how you access the bladder. If I just deflate it a little bit more, okay, the zipper gives you access to this internal bladder that you can take out. You can patch if necessary, if it ever does get damaged. But this material, it's more than that just traditional sort of plastic bag that you get in a lot of BCDs. This material itself is abrasion resistant, so still tough, even if something does get through this external nylon cordura. More attachment points on the inside to attach it to your wing, keep it nice and secure, but it does sort of wrap around your body so it stays nice and close and low profile. Now with it you also get plenty of bungee for sort of wrapping it around, and you do get a pair of single end bolt snaps as well. For whatever you need them to do, either to hold your inflator in a certain position or to sort of complete that wraparound loop. So all in all, a fantastic wing, nice and compact, where you don't need too much buoyancy, but you want to stay nice and streamlined. This is the XDEEP Stealth Classic Wing. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.